Hello, in this video, we will see that how patient at remote medical care can cancel their appointment. To cancel the appointment, the patient can go to the appointment detail page and there they will see the cancel appointment option. If there is a substantial amount of time left in the appointment, then this option will be enabled. They can simply click on cancel appointment, write down the cancellation reason. They can click on cancel. And in this way, their appointment will be canceled. You can see now this appointment has been canceled. Thank you.